Perhaps you've never heard the phrase invasion game, but you will almost certainly have watched or played one. Popular examples include football, rugby, basketball, netball, and hockey. In an invasion game, there are usually two teams. Each team has their own zone. While some players defend their team's zone, others attack their opponent's zone. This usually involves trying to score a goal, hit a target, or capture an item. You can see how this sort of game got its name. It really is like an invasion. It's important to work as a team when playing an invasion game. If everyone decided to attack the other team's zone, no one would be left to defend their own zone. Each game has its own set of rules. A referee is usually on hand to make sure that everyone follows them and that no one gets hurt. Unlike a real invasion, pain is not the aim of the game. How to play the Viking invasion game. You will need exercise mats and optional treasure as cones, beanbags, and/or balls. Instructions. First, get into teams and choose a mat. Your whole team must be able to stand on one mat. Your team is your longship crew. Next, line up along the start line with every team standing on their mat or boat. When given the command, work together as a team to sail across the ocean to the finish line. No part of anyone's body or clothing must touch the floor at any time. If it does, return to shore and start again. The first team to reach the finish line is the winner. Challenge. The ocean is full of small islands. Who knows what treasure might be hidden there, waiting to be found? Scatter treasure around the playing area. Cones, beanbags, and tennis balls all work well. For an extra challenge, use larger balls. Using the same setup and rules as above, see how many items of treasure each team can collect in a set amount of time before heading ashore. Beware, it's not as easy as it seems.